Now you will hear a short conversation about swimming lessons. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Hi, Mark. How was your weekend?
Hi, Sarah. It was good. I went to my first swimming lesson.
Oh, really? Are you learning to swim?
Yes, finally. I always wanted to, but I was a bit scared.
I understand. Is it difficult?
A little. The teacher is nice. She showed us how to float on our backs. That was fun.
Floating sounds easy. What else did you do?
We also practiced kicking our legs. It's harder than it looks to move forward.
Haha, I can imagine. Are you going again next week?
Yes, every Saturday. I hope to swim across the pool soon.
Good luck. You'll do great.
Thanks.
What is the conversation mainly about? What did Mark do in his first swimming lesson? Now you will hear a short conversation about science experiment. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Hey, Tom, guess what? We made slime in science class today. It was so cool. Slime? Wow, that sounds fun, Maria. How did you make it? It was pretty easy. First, we mixed some glue and water in a bowl. Then our teacher added a special liquid called borax solution. Borax solution? What did that do? Well, when the borax solution touched the glue, it started to get really thick and stretchy. It changed from liquid to slime almost instantly. That's amazing. So the borax changed the glue? Exactly. Our teacher said the borax helps the glue molecules connect in a different way, making it sticky and stretchy. We could play with it and stretch it a lot. I wish I was in your class for that. It sounds like a great experiment. It was. Everyone loved it. We even added some glitter to make it shiny.
What is the conversation mainly about? Why did the glue become thick and stretchy? Now you will hear a short lecture about sharks. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Today, let's talk about sharks, amazing fish that live in the ocean. Sharks are top predators, which means they are hunters at the top of the food chain. So, what do sharks eat? Well, it depends on the type of shark. Many sharks eat other fish. Some bigger sharks, like the great white, also hunt seals and sea lions. They might even eat turtles or small dolphins. Sharks have very sharp teeth to help them catch their food. How do they hunt? Sharks are very good at finding food. They have a strong sense of smell, so they can smell food from far away in the water. They also have special senses to feel small movements in the water. This helps them find fish that are hiding. When a shark finds its prey, it swims very fast to catch it. They are powerful swimmers. Sharks are important for ocean health because they help control the populations of other animals.
What is the talk mainly about? According to the talk, what helps sharks find food from far away? Now you will hear a short lecture about rainbows. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Today, we're going to talk about something beautiful, rainbows. Have you ever wondered how they appear after it rains? It's a fun science lesson. So, a rainbow is made when sunlight shines through tiny water drops in the air. After rain, there are many small water drops everywhere. When the sun's light hits these water drops, something special happens. Each tiny water drop acts like a very small prism. A prism can split white light into different colors. You know, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. The sunlight goes into the water drop, bends, and then bounces back out. As it bends, the light separates into all these different colors. We see them as a beautiful arc in the sky. So, you need two main things for a rainbow: sunlight and water drops. That's why we often see them after a rain shower, when the sun comes out again. It's truly amazing, isn't it?
What is the talk mainly about? Why do we often see rainbows after it rains?